Hi guys. Smarty here. From the channel Smart as Stranger. In our previous videos related to word logic family, we studied about its different family members. Today we will try to complete the lecture related to this family. Let's start with selection instruction. This instruction is very interesting and useful. This instruction moves the input values from in0 and in1 to the output, according to the input on G pin. If input on G is 0, it forward the value of input 0 to the output pin. If input on G is 1, it forward the value of input 1 to the output pin. Consider here signal on G input is false or 0. So it forward the value of in0 to the output. When we apply a high signal on G pin, instructions start forwarding the value of input 1. Let's check its behavior on simulator. When signal on G is 0, value at out is 10. When signal on G is 1, value at out is 20. Check again. When we apply 0 at G input, this instruction transfer the value of input 0 to the output. When we apply 1 at G input, this instruction start transferring the value of input 1 to the output. Multiplex instruction. Multiplex or mux instruction is used to copy the content of a selected input to output. The number of selectable inputs of the instruction box can be expanded. We can declare a maximum of 32 inputs. K parameter is used to define the input, whose content is to be copied to the output. When we apply value of 0 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input 0 to the out pin. When we apply value of 1 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input 1 to the out pin. When we apply value of 2 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input else to the out pin. Let's check its working on programming page. When value on K is 0, mux instruction transfer the value from in0 to the out pin. Similarly, when value on K is 1, instruction transfer the value of input 1 to the out pin. Similarly, when value on K is 2, instruction transfer the value of else input to the out pin. Check again. When we apply value of 0 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input 0 to the out pin. When we apply value of 1 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input 1 to the out pin. When we apply value of 2 at K pin, instruction forward the value of input else to the out pin. Our next instruction is demultiplex instruction. Demultiplex or demux instruction is used to copy the content of the input to a selected output. The number of selectable outputs can be extended in the instruction box. You can use the K parameter to define the output to which the content of the input is to be copied. Initially value on K pin is 0. Instruction is forwarding the value of input to the out 0. When we apply 1 at K pin, instruction forwards the value of input to the out 1 pin. When we apply 4 at K pin, instruction forwards the value of input to the else pin. Let's check its behavior on programming page. First enable the instruction. Initially, value at K pin is 0. Instruction is forwarding the value of input to the out 0 pin. When we apply 2 at K pin, instruction forwards the value of input to the output pin 2. When we apply 5 at K pin, instruction forwards the value of input to the output pin 5. When we apply 1 at K pin, instruction forwards the value of input to the output pin 1. Now check. If we change the fixed value of input to an analog tag, then what happened? See guys. We think now it has become more usable. Okay. We are inserting value 80 in input. Here you are seeing that initially value at K is 0. Instruction forwards the new value of input to the output 0. When value on K is 1, Instruction forwards the value of input to the output 1. Similarly, when value on K is 4, instruction forwards the value of input to the output else. OK, now check. We are changing the input value. Since value at K pin is 3, that's why, instruction is copying input value to the output 3. When we apply value on K is 0, instruction forwards the value of input to the output 0. OK, now we are applying value 2 on K. Instruction forwards the value of input to the output 2. So, guys, you see the working principle of word logic instruction. If you found any other instruction related to this family, try yourself to insert it. We hope. Now you are ready to insert and play with any instruction of this family. In our next video, Lesson 12, we will try to understand about our next instructions family, which is Shift and Rotate family. So for more informative videos, stay on channel. Keep watching our videos. Thanks for watching.